Hey guys, this is a tutorial video on how to install RAM into the new 2011 iMac. I believe this works on most iMacs actually. The one I'm using in question is a 27-inch iMac from the middle of 2011, and I will just show you the steps you take to install the RAM. First of all, you need the RAM itself. This is from Crucial. It's a 4GB stick of RAM and it cost me £30, which I think is $50 on the US website. But Apple will charge you about £130 for this if you upgrade it from their website. But Crucial will give it you obviously for a lot cheaper, but you do have to install it yourself. The process, however, is dead simple, and I'll go through it with you now. So the first thing you want to do is get your Mac and put it flat down on the screen on a soft surface. So in this case I've chosen a carpet. Screen down and then lift up the stand as high as it will go. Next, get a Phillips crosshead screwdriver or any screwdriver that will fit. And you'll see down here that you've got 3 different screws. They are attached to the piece of metal here itself, so you don't have to worry about losing them, because when you unscrew them, they will stay in place. So I will just unscrew these. Next step is remove these 2 tabs, and if you want to remove RAM, you just gently give the tabs a pull and the RAM will pop out, but in this case we don't need to remove the tabs. Next, you'll want to put the RAM in this way, so you've got the small edge on the right hand side. That is right. And push it until it clicks into place. And then simply fold the tabs in between the middle of the RAM, just back into place so it doesn't get in the way, and then simply reattach the bracket. And that's how you install the RAM into the new iMacs.